In this video, we'll review operation of the COLLECTanDRAIN Model 5500. First, let's demonstrate how the Model 5500 operates during a typical drain cycle. If the Model 5500 is in auto mode, the auto light on the control panel will be illuminated and the drain cycle will be initiated automatically by the float switch when it senses the drain is full. If the unit is not in auto mode, the drain cycle has to be initiated manually by pressing the drain button on the control panel. Later in the video, we will explain how to put the unit into and take the unit out of auto mode. When the drain cycle is initiated automatically by the float switch, the alarm will sound throughout the entire cycle. This is to notify personnel that the unit is active. If the drain cycle is initiated manually by pressing the drain button on the control panel, the alarm will not sound during the drain cycle. When the drain cycle begins, the collect light on the control panel turns off and the supply valve, or top valve, will begin to close when the programmable logic control, or PLC, verifies that the supply valve is completely closed. The drain valve, or bottom valve, will begin to open. When the PLC verifies that the drain valve is fully open, the drain light on the control panel will light up. The unit will remain in this state for 60 seconds, allowing the unit to drain any collected water. After 60 seconds, the drain light will turn off and the drain valve will begin to close. When the PLC verifies that the drain valve has closed completely, it will begin to open the supply valve. Once the PLC verifies that the supply valve is fully opened, the drain cycle is complete, and the unit is now back in operation. If the unit is in auto mode and the drain cycle was initiated automatically, the alarm will stop. The collect light on the control panel will light up, and the power light will double flash to indicate a drain cycle was just completed. If you want to restore the power light to a solid state, press and hold the reset button until the light stops flashing. Restoring the power light to a solid state is not required. If the drain cycle was initiated manually, the collect light on the control panel will light up and the power light will remain solid. Specify the Model 5500 onto new builds or upgrade existing drains with the superior performance of an AGF COLLECTanDRAIN. Visit agfmfg.com for more information.